Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to talk about HTML entities. Let's get started. So now make sure you already create your folder, which is going to be HTML entities. So now I already have my own folder over here. So now, what is HTML entities? So HTML entities are special codes that represent characters or symbol that we can normally type into HTML. So now, what are they trying to say? Now, HTML entities are reserved keyword which HTML himself already created for us. So now we can make use of an HTML entities whereby we can use a emoji, we can use greater than, then we can use a lot of stuff. Are you with me? So now let's see how it works. So now the one on my list, let's try less than over here. So now we have thousands of HTML entities. We have a lot of HTML entities. But like I said, I just want you guys to have an idea about it. You don't need to know it. You don't like you have to know it. But it's not something you have to worry about. Just know that okay, we have HTML entities, but it's not something you need to worry about. Like I said, just know it. You get. So now let's try the greater than, like I said. So we're going to do this over here, then LT. Can you see we have a lot? Then T, the end is with what semicolon. So now let's see what is this. So now let me go live. So let's see what's this. So okay. So let me go live again. So we actually want to see. Can you see? Now let me split my screen into two. Okay. Okay. So let's so that we can be seeing the result over here. So now nice. Nice. So can you see that? So now this alone, it actually means we are doing what? Less than. So we call all of these, we call it what? HTML entities. Okay. So we call it what? HTML entities. So now let's try greater than. Let's try greater than. So let me make use of P, then and then GT, then semicolon. Always end with what? Semicolon. So that's greater than. So let's try at. So you use your and then you write copy. They end it with what? Semicolon over here. So we have emoji as well. We have emoji as well. But before we try emoji, let's actually try these out. So we can use and then trade this it over here. Can you see that? So now let's try emojis using what? HTML entities. So using what? HTML entities. So let me have this P over here. This one should be emojis. Okay. Then let me cancel this. So let's use HR over here. So now let's see. So I'll just be trying just three emojis. Then if you actually want to know more about HTML entities, you can actually use any of AI or to just make research about. You should just list all the HTML entities for you. Okay. So now let's use this one. So and then so we're going to be using hash, then 128 514. Then don't forget to end with semicolon. Can you see that the emoji? Then let's try this over here again. And then hash. Then we have 128 526. Then semicolon as well. So now let's try angry emoji as well too. Then don't forget to use your and. Then Emoji we always start with hash. Okay, and emoji when it comes to HTML entities we always start with what? Hash. That's another tips you should observe. Okay, so we're going to use hash. Then 1 2 8 5 4 5, then semicolon as well. So now let's try another emoji, which is going to be the last one. So let's try love emoji. Okay, and don't forget it's going to start with what? Hash. So this one is going to be what? 100 84 then semicolon as well. So now these everything you need to know about HTML entities. You just have to know how it works. So anytime if you want to use it or anytime you come across it, you should know that, oh, these HTML entities. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that I'll keep making good videos like these. See you next time.